Cleanse all negative energy within you and heal from trauma and remove blockages. These affirmations are here to help you move forward and grab a hold of your bright future and fall in love with your inner beauty and power. Say these affirmations every day for 30 days. Take a deep breath in for 5 seconds. And exhale out for 5 seconds. Keep this breathing pattern for the duration of this video. Sit or lay in a comfortable position and allow these affirmations to solidify in your subconscious. I am worthy of moving forward and making a beautiful future. I will remain hopeful and expectant for good things to come. There will be a day when I'm emotionally strong and unbothered by my past. I don't have to rush my process because I will be okay in the right time. I will listen to what my body needs, and I won't force it to go beyond its limits. I will use my voice to communicate my wants and needs. I am patient, gentle, and loving, but I am not a doormat. I am blessed, and I will attract amazing people in my life that I can trust. I will not rush my healing process nor judge myself for moving slow. I am allowed to hold love and pain in my heart at the same time. It's perfectly normal to trigger when I'm reminded of the pain. I don't have to force everyone around me to see my side of the story because time will reveal it. I forgive myself for not recognizing the red flags. I have a bright future, and I am excited about what's to come. I am amazing and powerful, despite what people have said about me. I mattered then, and I matter now because I'm valuable to people around me. I make people feel loved, and I am memorable. It's okay to be angry because the situation hurt me very much. I refuse to hurt others the way that I was hurt. I am wiser now and will guard my heart and life from deceitful people. I didn't deserve what happened to me. I am happy because I will never let anyone unhealthy come close enough to abuse me again. I will trust a professional to help me put up boundaries to avoid allowing toxic people into my life. I am worthy of relationships with people that are patient. I was born to do amazing things, and that won't ever change. I will get the healing needed to turn my pain into power. I can set limits and boundaries with every person I meet. I will trust my gut when it tells me something isn't right. I have the ability and choice to leave friendships and relationships that don't work for me. I am allowed to say no without being questioned and harassed. It's not my job to make others feel better. I am safe. I will experience joy and peace. There is a happy ending in store for me. I am healing and getting better day by day. I am not afraid of my memories. I will not view myself as weak or a villain in my memories. I did not deserve the pain I endured. I am allowed to slowly unpack my trauma, and I don't need to rush my process. I will break the cycle of pain in my family. I will deal with my emotions, stress, and pain in a healthy way. I am capable of healing and growing from my experiences. My trauma does not define me. My trauma does not have the power over me anymore. Take a few moments and deeply breathe in and out. Slowly open your eyes and marvel at the magnificence that you are. You are strong and vibrant, and no one can hurt you anymore. Thank you for giving yourself time to heal from your trauma, and we will see you back here again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.